Hi guys, Felipe here, and today I brought a nice conditioning flow for us. So we're gonna perform each part twice, and we have two cards. First of all, we have a nice stretching and preparation, and then we have a conditioning flow. All right, so let's start it. So 6-point position, then bring your hip in your heel and move your hands forward. From here, so lift your hip, travel forward, close your spine, and then squeeze your glutes, open your chest, look to the sky, relieve long arms, long neck, chin your chest, reverse, press the floor, imagine a wave through your spine, and then come back to your child pose. Perfect. So let's do it again, but lift your hip, travel forward, and once here in the halfway, open to call, and come back. And let's start again. So spine wave, full way now. So drop down your hip, open your chest, look to the sky, chin your chest, press the floor, imagine a wave through your spine, and then come back to your child pose. Perfect, guys. Halfway, so travel forward. From here, open. Come back to child pose. One more time, so each exercise, so travel forward. Open spine wave as far as you can and come back. And halfway, travel, open, and come back to your child pose. Perfect, guys. So now, have your toes on the floor. And from here, go to high hip position. And then bring your right knee between your hands. And we have a pujan here. Relax your ankles, open your spine, look to the sky, and drop down your chest in your knees. Come back, open, look to the sky, tap your toes. High hip, and same thing to the other leg. So left leg between pujan, relax your ankles, open, drop down. Open again, tap your toe, chin your chest, high hip position. One more time each leg, so right leg, pujan, relax and open, drop down, open again, tap your toes, high hip. To the other side, same thing, left leg, pujan, open, drop down, open again, tap your toes, high hip, and then child pose. Perfect, guys. So next exercise, tap your toes on the floor again and move your hands forward. From here, bring your right knee outside of your right arm. Touch your knee in your tricep. Then come back. Same thing to the other side. So left leg, tap your left knee outside of your arm in your tricep, look forward, come back. One more time each side. So right leg, tap, hold, come back. And left leg, tap, hold, and come back. Perfect, guys. So next exercise, ape reach in your regression. From here, open your knee a little bit more large than your hip and your big toes together. All right, big toes together. And then close your hands in front of you and back hands together. Squeeze your shoulders and bring your chin in your chest. close your hip and close your spine, flex your spine. From here, turn your palms up, your arms in the same direction of your shoulders. Open your chest and then lift your hip a little bit and hold for 3, 2, 1. Come back, close. I'm gonna change the direction for a show for you, alright? So close in front of you and open. Lift, 3, 2, 1, and close. 2 more times, guys. Open. Lift, 3, 2, 1, close. One more time, so open. Lift, 3, 2, 1, and close. Perfect. So now, next exercise. Crab position. So your arms behind you, keeping with your arms long. Open your chest. Your feet a little bit more large than your hip. And from here, lift your hip. And then tap your right hand in your left foot. So tap in front of you and come back. Same thing to the opposite side. So left hand, right foot. 2. 12 movements here. 3. Let's go. 4. And 5. And 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. 11. And 1 more. And 12. And relax, guys. Perfect. Let's gonna perform each movement again. 1 more round. So let's go. Child pose, relax your ankles on floor, move your hands forward, and then flex your spine, travel forward, squeeze your glutes, drop down your hips toward to the floor, open, look to the sky, chin your chest, press the floor, imagine a wave through your spine, and then come back to child pose. Halfway, so travel forward. Once here, open and come back. 1 more time, so travel full way. Drop down your hip, open, come back, and then halfway, travel, open, and come back. 1 more time. Let's go full way. Travel. Open. And come back to your child pose. And halfway. Travel. Open. And come back. Next exercise. High hip and pujan. So tap your toes on floor and go to high hip position. And bring your right knee between your hands. Open. Close. Open. Tap your toes. High hip. Same thing to the opposite side. Left leg. Open. Close. Open. Tap your toes, high hip, and child pose. 1 more time each side, guys. So high hip, right leg, pujan, open, close, open, tap your toes, high hip, and left leg, open, close, open again, tap your toes, high hip, and then child pose. Next exercise, beast reach. So from here, bring your right knee in your tricep, right tricep, and come back. Same way to the other side. So left leg, left knee, tap in your left tricep, and come back. One more time each leg. So right leg, tap, come back, and left leg, tap, and come back. So if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, go to your deep squat position. Find your deep squat position, or keeping with your knees on the floor. All right? So find your best deep squat position, and we have a 8 reach. So from here, close your shoulders with your knees, your hands forward in 45 degrees, and back hands together. And then from here, high heel, open your knee, open your arms, look forward and lift. 3, 2, 1. Come back, close, heels on the floor, and open again. Open. 3, 2, 1. Come back. Perfect. 2 more times. Let's go, guys. High heel. Lift your hip a little bit. 3, 2, 1. Come back. And just one more time. So high heel. Open. 3, 2, 1. And come back. Perfect. Go for your crab position. Open your chest. Lift. And then left leg and right arm. Tap. Come back. 1, 12 movements. Step to the opposite side and come back. 2. Tap. Come back. 3. Let's go. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. 11. And just 1 more. And 12. Perfect, guys. Now we're gonna start with the conditioning flow. We have 4 movements and we are gonna perform twice. The first part I'm gonna explain for you, and then the second part a little bit more faster. All right? So the first exercise I just want to show for you, and then we can follow along. First exercise, we have under switch tap. So from your crab position, lift your right leg and your left hand. From here, travel with your leg under you and find your beast position. Correct yourself. And then right leg under switch to crab. So when you call under switch tap, just tap your hands on the floor and come back to the same position like this. Right leg under switch tap. All right, this is the first exercise. So let's gonna perform hand movements. So 5 each side. Let's go together. So right leg under switch tap. Left leg under switch tap. 2. Right leg under switch tap. 3. Left leg under switch tap. 4. Right leg under switch tap. 5. Left leg under switch tap. 6. Right leg under switch tap. 7. Left leg under switch tap. 8. 2 more. Right leg. Left leg. Perfect, guys. Rest and relieve your wrists. Nice. Next exercise, you have flow burpee. What is that? So in your low beast position, your hands go forward and then bring your feet outside of your hands. So like this. Then jump. Come back, hands on floor, and come back to low beast. So if it's too much for you today, no worries. Just bring your right knee or your right foot and then your left foot, jump and come back in the same way. No worries about that. All right? So let's gonna perform 10 repetitions together. All right? So toes on the floor, hands go forward, then flow burpee. 1. Let's go, guys. Low beast and flow burpee. 2. Let's go again. 3. And then 4. 6 more, guys. And 5. Let's go. 6. Let's go. 7. And 8. And 9. Just one more. And 10. Jump and rest. Perfect. So next exercise, we have side kick throughs. What is that? So in your beast position, find your beast position like the first exercise and your knee a little bit more in front of your hip line, wrist and shoulders in the same line, all right? And then from here, lift your knee and your right leg travel under you, like under switch. So now, when your toes stay in this direction and your hands outside like a perpendicular angle, just extending your right leg and open your elbow, pull your elbow back. All right, lift and come back to static beast. Same thing to the other side. So left leg, side kick through like this. Open and come back. All right, we are gonna perform 10 repetitions, 5 each side. Let's go together. So beast position, lift, and then right leg, side kick through. Come back. Left leg, side kick through. Come back. Right leg, side kick through. Come back. Left leg, 4. Right leg, 5. Left leg, 6. Right leg, 7. Left leg, 8. Right leg, 9. Left leg, 10. And rest. Perfect. Now the last exercise for your core, for your abs. From here, your hands in your ear, and then bring your right knee and touch your left elbow in your knee. So, and then change your members, change your arm or your leg like this. So if you need, keep it with your foot on the floor. But if you feel comfortable, if it is easy for you, just lift and hold here. All right, so we're gonna perform 10, 5 each side. All right, so start with your right elbows in your left knee and switch. 1, switch, 2, switch, 3, switch, 4, switch, 5, switch, 6, switch, 7, switch, 8, switch, 9, and switch, 10. Hug your legs, relax a little bit, and we are gonna perform one more time each exercise. Let's go. So first of all, we have, crab position. That's it. Under switch taps. Let's start with right leg, all right? Lift, and then right leg, under switch tap. And come back. 1, left leg. 2, right leg. 3, left leg. 4, right leg. 5, left leg. 6, right leg. 7, left leg. 8, right leg. 9, and left leg. 10, perfect. Let's start with flow burpees. From here, let's start, guys, flow burpees. 1, load these, let's go. 2, load these, let's go. 3, let's go again. 4, let's go. 5 more, flow burpees. 6, and 7, and 8, 2 more, and 9, just 1 more, and 10. Perfect. You guys, come back to your load beast. Take a little breath, and let's start with side kick throughs. So from here, find your best static beast position. From here, lift your knee, and then left leg, side kick through. Come back. Right leg, side kick through. 2, let's go, guys. Left leg. 3, come back. Right leg. 4, come back. Left leg. 5, come back. Right leg. 6, come back. Left leg. 7, come back. Right leg. 8, 1 more each side. Open. 9, and the last one. Open, and come back. And then abs. So from here, lay in your back, and let's start with your right knee and your left elbow. And switch. 1, switch. 2, switch. 3, let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hug your legs, relief, and well done, guys. Guys, hope you had fun. If you want to continue, just keep going and follow this movement. All right? Hope see you soon. Thank you so much.